Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or card pry tool. Insert the card pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. First, disconnect and pull out the front camera from the board. Next, pull out the not working rear camera from the board. For this, need to pull out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect both LCD plugs and the antenna head. Next, gently lift the logic board from the body. Next, flip the logic board and pull out the camera module by disconnecting the plug. Next, place and secure the new back camera to the board. Next, secure the board to the body. Next, secure the new front camera to the board. Next, secure both LCD connectors and the antenna head to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.